Hello legends, and welcome to Apex. Ever wonder how close you are to that guaranteed heirloom in Apex Legends? Let me show you how to check how many Apex packs you've opened, fast and easy. Go to apexlegendsstatus.com and click on Apex Calculator. This is a trusted Apex Legends pack tracker. Here, you'll enter your account level, battle pass progress, and any event packs you've earned. Fill in your details and boom! It'll estimate how many packs you've opened and how close you are to that 500 pack heirloom threshold. You can check your battle pass progress by going into the game and looking at your stats and checking how you did in the past seasons. Here you could check your previous season's progress, your battle pass level for that season, and once you have that data, just fill it in to the tracker and you'll find just how close you are to your next heirloom. Don't forget, every 500 packs guarantees an heirloom, so keep grinding.